Hey there. If you're taking on 75 hard or 75 soft, you already know the hard part is consistency. Checking every box, every single day, for 75 days straight. This tracker keeps you honest and shows your progress the whole way. Let me walk you through it. We start on the Start Here tab, which explains how the tracker works and how to set it up for whichever version of the challenge you're doing. The Settings tab is where you choose your rules, hard or soft, and set your daily tasks so the tracker matches your exact challenge. The Daily tracker is where the magic happens. Each day you check off your tasks, your workouts, your water, your reading, your diet, and it records whether you completed the day. The dashboard shows your streak and your overall progress, how many days you've completed, and how many are left, so you can see just how far you've come. The workout log records your 2 daily workouts so you can look back and see the work you've put in. The reading log tracks your daily pages so that habit sticks too. Measurements lets you record your starting numbers and check-ins along the way so you can see the physical changes the scale alone won't show. The restart log is the honest one. If you miss a day and have to restart, you log it here. No shame, just a clear record so you can learn and keep going. And the certificate tab is your reward, a finish line marker for when you complete all 75 days. That's the whole tracker. Everything you need to actually finish the challenge in one file that works in both Excel and Google Sheets. If you're ready to commit, the link is in the description. Now go crush it, and thanks for watching.